morning, happy Sunday. I am in New York City. Many of you know that, my whole YouTube journey started here. I lived here for 6 years. I came back in the winter and I'm here this week for work. I am doing a modeling shoot upstate New York, and then I'm going upstate with some girlfriends as well. So it's kind of a little bit of both. A little bit of work, a little bit of pleasure. I had such FOMO of like being in New York because the spring in New York is honestly the best time. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's like very alive. I got dressed, outfit goals. I'm going to do a little Pilates workout. Then I am gonna do a facial with Dr. Barbara Storm and meet a friend for brunch. Very New York kind of day. Alrighty, I'm going to get ready because of course I'm running a little late. Love your outfit. Thank you. It's early, it's 6:30 a.m. I drove upstate last night. It was literally only 1.5 hours out of New York, and look, I'm in nature. It's so beautiful. There's like this gorgeous lake here. I am going to get ready, do like a quick little stretch because I really feel after driving and stuff my body just needs a little movement. And I'm going to pack up my stuff and we're going to location. I'm shooting for Loft today, so it will be fun. I think there's another model, so that's always nice when you can kind of like alternate looks and stuff. I just did like my skincare routine. I put a lot of sunscreen on because the sun is going to be really strong today and I kind of want to really protect my skin. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. By the way, I think I've never showed this thing, and this is my new #1 travel item. It is a foldable foam roller. So I do this and I have a foam roller, but I can stretch. Best thing ever. Alrighty, I'm all packed. I am just wearing something very simple. A basic top from Weekday. These super long ASOS pants and sneakers. I actually brought a little dress because it's gonna be really warm. The only thing is often we're like getting ready in a van and there's like air conditioning, so I thought it would be nicer to just wear pants and then not worry about being cold. So yeah, I have everything. We're going to set. Cars are waiting. We're gonna drive about an hour to our first location of the day. So we just got out of the car. We're in this like nature reservoir, something like that, and we're all like parked on a parking spot here. So here we got the van to get ready. This is for production, and then over there is just like catering and stuff. I'm going to grab some breakfast, I think. We got a little burrito here with avocado and egg and a granola thingy. And this is hair and makeup, kind of like soft hair and like natural makeup. So yeah, let's get ready. Alrighty, this is the hair and makeup look for today. They put a little extra extension, so my hair is like kind of like thick and full, and the makeup is very natural, Super cute. So we're now on a little farm. They have all like the apple trees, and what is actually really funny is that there are obviously now no apples on the tree. So they have been making these apples on little strings and the little hooks. That's really funny. This reminds me of like Christmas decorations.
This one?
Well, works really well. Alrighty guys, so I can't film a lot of stuff backstage because the collection is gonna come out, and I obviously, this video is coming up earlier, so I can't like show all the pieces, but I did want to show you this quickly. The production got coffee for us, and I asked for matcha, and this is what I got. And just look at the color. This is what I mean with like so many people, when they try it, they're just like, ugh, I don't like it. It's more like a lemonade kind of thing. But yeah, we are done for today, and we are going to head back to the city, which is like an hour and a half drive or something. So yeah, pretty good day. So we're having a little pizza party here. We're going to drive back soon. Good dinner now. See you later. And it is a new day. I'm trying to like vlog as much as possible, but I just kind of realized that since I've been back in New York, it's been really back to kind of that New York lifestyle. Like I just haven't seen New York this popping in so long. Like there's so much going on. Ooh. And I don't know, it was kind of, let's turn this off. It was kind of, I don't know, at one point I just also felt like a little overwhelmed by everything again, because we've been just in such a lockdown, and then now out of the blue, because you know everyone is like vaccinated in the US, things get back to normal life so quickly, and I feel I just personally have like a hard time kind of adjusting to it. And there was actually a little like a quote thing I found on Instagram yesterday, and I kind of want to pop it up here. And when I was reading that, I was like, yeah, everyone should find and feel their own time on like getting back into the normal routine. We can't expect from ourselves to just easily do that, and if you maybe feel overwhelmed quickly too, that might be like a reason why. But yeah, I was kind of like trying to find a way on like how am I going to see all my friends and like the people I love all at the same time. And then Jessie and I had this like, she came in town yesterday, we had this genius idea to do a little rooftop party where I'm just gonna invite everyone at once, so then I don't need to literally run around the city and literally meet with everyone. I'm just gonna have everyone gather together, and we will actually be partnering up with Grey Goose, and we will be making like summer cocktails and all of that. So I'm actually pretty excited for that, to kind of have New York summer rooftop parties. I'm excited for them. Anyway, I just ordered a quick smoothie. It is the Blue Magic from Juice Press. It looks very chemical, but it is actually blue spirulina or something. So it is very healthy, and I think it has like banana in there, maca powder, vanilla, and some protein. So alrighty, I'm going to get ready quickly. It is so unbelievable hot outside. It is disgusting kind of. So I tried to put literally the lightest outfit on I have. It's pretty cute actually. This is a dress by Reformation, and it's kind of like this linen. I think they actually still have it. So I'm going to drive to the city where I'm going to meet Jason, Jessie, and Max, and we're going to get our little rooftop party ready. We're gonna make some like little bites, and then I might actually stop by Zara and maybe buy like, I don't know, cute little outfit for tonight. I don't know, I feel I haven't dressed up in so long. Like my hair looks good today. I just curled it and I didn't do anything else. I didn't use any other products, and just by curling it, it just gives a lot of volume. It's literally been growing so much. I've been taking like Nutrafol super consistently, and it honestly just really helped. And the not washing my hair thing. Alrighty, let's get ready. Yeah. Perfect. I just dropped my bags quickly and I'm gonna walk to Broadway quickly and check out, see if I can find like a cute little dress or something. I haven't done like any shopping in such a long time. I always get like crazy when there's just too many people in a store, but oh, I miss New York so much. Such cute like little outdoor seating. I love it. Alrighty, we on the rooftop. Aww, this is so pretty. There's a bar and everything. This is a very extraordinary rooftop in Soho and it's so cute. Little kitchen there. Yeah, so I think we're going to set up some stuff and then we're gonna start making some like cocktails, I feel like. And then people will come. It will be a lot of fun. I like it. So this is the dress I just got at Bloomingdale's and it has this, I'll show you, really cute back and it's kind of like baby blue and it has this like very comfortable fabric. I really like it. And these cute little bracelets I got from the flea market, the Melrose Trading Post, a little while ago in Brooklyn. So anyway, we're gonna make a little cheese boards and everything and then we're gonna, yeah, have a little pre-drink. Here we go. Alrighty, okay. I just did my little setup and our cocktail bar for today is ready. It looks so cute. Oh, I really miss this. Probably a lot of you guys know that I absolutely hate tequila but love drinks with vodka. Always it combines just like really nice and also feels like a healthier option. So I kind of wanted to show you today the new Grey Goose essences, and those are botanical infused vodkas. They just launched and they actually came with 3 flavors. They have watermelon basil, strawberry lemongrass, and white peach and rosemary. They're all sugar-free, carb-free, and gluten-free. And yeah, we're going to make a delicious cocktail. I'm going to do a little practice run right now because if all the guests comes, obviously I kind of want to know on like how to make it. I also got some like fresh herbs and things like that because I always think it's like really delicious. Step number 1, grab a glass and we're going to add some ice. Probably a lot of ice because it's extremely hot here. There we go. Okay, the first cocktail I'm going to make is berry kisses, and this one has the white peach and rosemary in there. Add a little this. Then I'm going to add the tonic water, and all of this can also come in a whole cocktail set. So if you're maybe throwing a party or doing a little event, you can get this all in the same thing. And then something else what came in the cocktail set was kind of like a blackberry syrup. So for a special touch, I mean, I'm not a bartender, but I think I will be after it. There we go. My first cocktail is ready. Oh my god, this is really good. Honestly, I can't believe that it's like sugar-free because it does feel like very light and not like super sweet, because I really do not like sweet alcoholic drinks, especially the next day when you have like hangovers. This is really good. Hey, it's still my cocktail. So Oh my god, it does not only like taste amazing, it also smells really, really good. If you want to try these out, I will link them down below in the description so you can like check it out, because this is really delicious and I feel this is really nice, like kind of like a summer drink. So yeah, I think we're gonna make a couple more. Alrighty, cheers. Yours is a little different. Yeah. So good. This is always that awkward moment when like your party is about to start, but like your friends are not there yet. You're like, are they gonna come? What if it's just us? Honestly, I think it's been really fun. Cheers. I'm wearing this very fluffy, beautiful. It's Gucci. Say hi guys to the vlog. Hello. What is the best thing what happened this week?
You guys came to town.
Aww, Shilpa, what is the best thing what happened this week?
Yay! I almost thought I was gonna see you.
What the best thing what happened this week?
Coming here.
Wow. Max, what is the best thing what happened this week?
I saw my mom.
Oh, you saw your mom.
Since the pandemic started.
What is the best thing what happened this week?
You guys came to my rooftop.
Aww.